Okay, doing that thing. Bundu Annex. Okay, I'll keep this in the car there. In there. Okay, so it's just a tension over there. And hooked in there. And then you've got a little roof there. Yeah. And I can walk underneath in here. And this is the Bundu Annex part. Okay, so we're just waiting for a few things to finish with this suite. That's going to close up. They just have to make some modifications, and then we're going to be done and going back and do my fitments and upgrades and changes to this tent that we deem necessary. But yeah, I recommended this tent for the client. We had a different rooftop tent that you fold open, but I recommended to him this is an easier setup to work with, and with a few specialized modifications from our side, it can be very, very nice. So yeah, we'll see now with the Bundu suite. Okay, so this is the Bundu suite. It's going to be fitted to those corners. Okay, we'll wait for them to finish, then we'll see how it works. Open it. And there's velcros in the corner. Okay, so that thing hooks in there again. There's a velcro there. There's velcro there. So this is then when you enter, you have some privacy. Okay, and then you can open small windows. I see. Okay, small windows for 100%. I'll say. Okay, so sorry, there's another window here. Yes, exactly. And the cables for the solar can come down here, and it won't bother you when it's working. Okay, great stuff. The ladder can go in here. Yeah, perfect. And you've got hand space to get to your switches. Okay, great stuff. Okay, now it's just packing it up again. Let me get out of the way. So I just loosen the Velcro. Loose there. Okay. Okay. Just show me again, sorry. Yeah. Bend it. It bends inward.
Same on the other side.
Bends inward. Rolls up. All the straps. Strap it. And then just close it with a zip. Struggling with the focus here, but it works. Great, sharp. And then this the stop part. Okay, release the bungee cords. Yeah. Take it out here, remove the pins, goes into the pipe. Okay, into the pipe. Okay, bring back the top down. Okay, so all these videos have been a nice instructions reference for the client that he can watch on this channel and see how to set up his stuff, how to fold it up, quite easy, and for everybody else that wants to see this, that doesn't have a bundutop yet and wonders how it works, can have a look. I'm sure there's many videos available on the internet. This is one I made for my client because I'm assisting him. He's not in the country at the moment, so I'm handling the stuff for him as a service. So this video is mainly for his references on his trailer, how to use it, what to do, and ladder goes in, and then the only thing that happens once the ladder goes in, these clips lock the roof. That we will organize now. Ladder goes in, and then it's safely tucked inside there on the bed. Close it down, check all the materials are hidden. Anyway, seems okay. And then this clips lock it in place. So always ensure that it's unclipped before you run the motor, and that it's clipped in there for safety. Okay, power is out.